Long enough. Now. And he deposits that into the stands. How your world changes in 30 seconds.
It's a lovely use of the feet to get into that position. He's on the charge. He is attacking all the way through.
Meanwhile, the ball travels. And it doesn't bother making contact with the turf. It's all about the air. Oh, that is probably the best of them all. This young man, Abhishek Sharma, is lighting up harmony. It doesn't matter to him. What 69 are you saying? 6 more.
On strike.
Big enough. Everything is... That record is gone too. Everything has been broken here today.